Ava and my brother Michael.
Today we are going to be making banana bread.
So we're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients together. I have 1 1/4 cups of flour, and we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll set this aside. Now we're going to crack 2 eggs. Next, I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to get my brother to mix this together. Now we should preheat our oven to 350 degrees.
Ava, what's next?
And now you're going to put your eggs to the side and mash some bananas while I mix together the butter and sugar. I'm going to mix together 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and 1 cup of sugar.
And I'm going to mash the bananas.
Next, we're going to add the eggs and vanilla mixture. And you should do this slowly. Michael, are the bananas ready?
Yes, they are.
Now we're just going to mix the banana in just for a few seconds. Now we're going to remove this bowl so we can add the dry ingredients. Next, we're going to add the dry ingredients. Michael, can you slowly please add the dry ingredients? Right now, I am using my spatula to fold the ingredients together.
I have a joke for you guys. Why did the squirrel cross the road? Because he went nuts. And just saying, we are not using nuts for this recipe because I'm allergic. Instead, we're going to use chocolate chips.
How many chocolate chips were in there?
1/2 cup.
Next, I'm going to put this in our butter pan.
And we're going to bake this for 55 hours. I mean minutes.
This is our finished product. But before you do anything with it, let it cool on a rack before you cut it. And I hope you enjoy it. It smells really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.